Mabuhay, aloha, half a day, hello. I'm Miss Jessica. I'm a children's instructor and research specialist for Howard County Library System. I happen to work at the Savage branch. Welcome to Make With Me. If you're looking for a book packed with quick projects, this one is for you. It's 10-minute fun and easy projects, 65 craft activities you can make in a flash. This book is published by Capstone Press and is appropriate for children ages 8 to 11. Adult supervision and assistance may be required for some of the tasks, but most projects can be done independently by most motivated fourth graders, I'd say. The projects are also divided into several different categories. You've got drawing, DIY game building, origami, yarn crafting, and then working with all kinds of multimedia to create toys, accessories, decor, all different kinds of art. So let's make something. Friends, let's remember that fun ends when safety ends. Always get permission from your grown-up before attempting any of the projects we explore together. It's important to stay safe and to clean up after yourself too. On pages 102 and 103, we will attempt to make a feather bookmark. You will need yarn and scissors. The instructions for this project use comparative measurements, so the project will be unique to you. So instead of asking you to cut a 16-inch length of yarn and fold it in half, they'll ask you to cut a piece of yarn as long as your arm and fold it in half. They also suggest you cut several pieces of yarn the same length as your hand and fold those pieces in half. I'm a children's librarian and I happen to have a lot of yarn scraps lying around, so that's what I'm going to use and see what I can create. My longest length of yarn is going to stay here in the middle and act as the shaft of my feather bookmark. I'm going to use the shorter lengths of yarn to make the feathers barbs and build the feathers veins around the shaft. What we'll need to do is create a kind of slip knot. One loop under the shaft and another loop on top of the shaft like this. Next, we'll tuck the tails in the opposite loops and pull. And that's pretty much it. We'll repeat this several times until we feel there are enough barbs for the length of our feather, and then we're going to go in and trim the edges to create our feather shape with those scissors. I really like this project because it makes you look at yarn in a different way. And maybe next time you don't make a bookmark, maybe you turn that into a zipper pull, or you use different colors or add beads or something new and different that you're just so excited to make and create. I mean, that's important, right? Using newly acquired skills to make something different and interesting and exciting. Yes, excellent. I mean, okay, sure. I'm sure you could think of all different kinds of things that you can make with yarn, but I figure why not? Besides, you've got 64 other crafts to do in the book. I mean, 10-minute fun and easy projects. You can place your request now at hclibrary.org using your library card and PIN number. And, you know, as always, I'd love to see what you're making at home. And if you have something really creative that you made with some yarn, I'd love to see it. You can send your pics to askhcls@hclibrary.org with the subject line, Make With Me. All right, friends, I'm looking forward to seeing you next time for more Make With Me. Bye. Love ya. See ya.